Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about something many people ask. How can I speak English fluently? Learning English is not just about grammar or big words. It's about using English every day, speaking, listening, and having fun while learning. So today, let's listen to a simple and friendly conversation between me and my friend Dave. He wants to speak English more fluently, and I'm going to give him some tips. Let's begin.
Hello, Emma. I've been learning English for years, but I still feel nervous when I try to speak.
Hi, Dave. Don't worry. Many people feel that way. You are not alone.
Sometimes I understand what people say, but I don't know how to reply.
That's a common problem. You need more practice speaking and listening.
I try to study every day, but I still speak slowly.
Let me ask, what do you usually do to study English?
I read grammar books and try to remember vocabulary.
That's a good start, but it's not enough. Speaking and listening are very important too.
How can I practice speaking if no one speaks English around me?
You can speak out loud to yourself. Try describing things around you. For example, say, I am drinking coffee, or the sky is blue today.
That feels a bit strange.
I know, but it helps your mouth get used to speaking English.
All right, I'll give it a try.
Also, have you ever tried shadowing?
No, what is that?
Shadowing means listening to someone speak and then repeating what they say right away.
So like copying their voice?
Yes, try it with podcasts, videos, or TV shows. It's great for pronunciation and rhythm.
That sounds fun. I like watching English movies.
Perfect. Start with subtitles in English, then turn them off when you're ready.
Sometimes I feel lost when I hear native speakers talk fast.
That's okay. Don't try to understand every word. Focus on the main idea.
What about writing? Is that important too?
Yes, writing helps you think in English. Try writing a small diary every day.
Like, today I went to the supermarket?
Exactly. You don't need long stories. Just 3 or 4 sentences a day is enough.
Okay, I'll try that. But Emma, I forget new words so fast.
That happens to everyone. You need to use the new words again and again.
Should I make flashcards?
Yes, flashcards are helpful. You can use apps like Anki or just paper cards.
Sometimes I write down new words but don't know how to use them in a sentence.
That's the key. Always write a full sentence. For example, instead of delicious, write, this pizza is delicious.
That makes sense. I guess I only write words, not full ideas.
Try to use the word in speaking, writing, and even thinking. That way it becomes part of you.
I also want to speak faster. I take too long to say something.
Fluency takes time. Don't worry about speaking fast. Speak clearly and with confidence first. Speed will come later.
Do you think thinking in English helps?
Yes, try to stop translating in your head. Just think in English.
That's hard, but I can try.
You can start small. Think about what to eat, what to wear, or how you feel, but in English.
Emma, how many hours should I study every day?
It depends. Even 30 minutes a day can help if you stay focused.
Sometimes I study for 2 hours but feel tired.
That's normal. Take breaks and study smart, not just long.
What do you mean by study smart?
Use real-life materials, listen to a news story, speak about your day, write a small note, or read something interesting.
I used to only study textbooks.
Textbooks are good for basics, but real English comes from real life.
Should I join a class?
If you can, yes. But even online classes or language exchange partners can help.
Sometimes I feel shy when speaking with others.
That's okay. Everyone feels that way. Start with kind people or other learners.
I'm afraid of making mistakes.
Making mistakes means you are trying. Mistakes are how we learn.
Even native speakers make mistakes, right?
Yes, we all do, so be brave and keep speaking.
Thanks, Emma. You always make me feel better.
You're welcome. I enjoy helping people.
So, just to remember, I should 1. Listen to English every day. 2. Speak out loud. 3. Watch movies with subtitles. 4. Write a diary. 5. Use shadowing. 6. Think in English. 7. Use new words often.
Perfect summary, Dave. You're on the right path.
One last thing. Is it okay to learn from YouTube or TikTok?
Yes, if the content is useful and clear, just don't scroll all day.
Ha ha ha, I know what you mean. Some videos are helpful, some just waste time.
That's true. Pick videos with slow, clear English, or watch teachers who explain things well.
Do you have any channel to recommend?
Try Speak English with Mr. Steve, or English Addict with Mr. Duncan. They are fun and easy to understand.
I'll check them out. Thanks for the tip.
No problem. You're doing great.
I feel more confident now. I'll start speaking more from today.
That's the spirit. Remember, small steps every day lead to big changes.
Thank you so much, Emma. I'll let you know how I'm doing in a few weeks.
I'd love that. Keep going, Dave, and remember, enjoy the journey. So, friends, that was my chat with Dave. I hope it gave you some ideas and confidence, too. Speaking English fluently is not magic. It's just daily practice, speaking bravely and enjoying the process. You can do it! See you next time!